Hi everyone, I'm Lisa with Kanta Aesthetic, and today I'm thrilled to show you how to set up and use our versatile 3-in-1 laser machine. This machine is a powerhouse, combining hair removal, tattoo removal, and E-Light skin rejuvenation in one sleek unit. Whether you're looking to expand your service offerings or optimize your existing treatments, this tutorial will guide you through everything from the initial setup to operational tips that ensure top performance. Let's get started. This advanced laser beauty machine is a 3-in-1 solution for various skin treatments, designed to cater to the diverse needs of clients in a spa setting. It integrates 4 powerful technologies: E-Light, SHR, Super Hair Removal, Radiofrequency, and YAG Laser. Each technology serves specific purposes. 1. Laser hair removal and skin rejuvenation. SHR and E-Light handle. The SHR technology is ideal for laser hair removal, offering a painless and efficient experience. E-Light combines IPL, intense pulsed light, and RF, radio frequency, to provide skin rejuvenation services. It targets various skin issues, enhancing the overall appearance and texture of the skin. 2. Tattoo and spot removal. YAG laser handle. The YAG laser is specifically designed for the removal of tattoos and various skin spots. It works by breaking down the pigments of tattoos or spots, allowing them to be naturally absorbed and eliminated by the body. 3. Skin rejuvenation and anti-aging. Bipolar RF handle. The bipolar RF, radiofrequency, handle focuses on skin rejuvenation and anti-aging treatments. It helps in tightening and smoothing the skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and improving skin elasticity. This is the main unit of the machine. These are the components that come with the machine. This is the user manual for the machine. This is the RF handle. This is the Pico laser handle. This is the IPL handle. These are 3 different models of laser probes. These are 3 different models of RF probes. This is the power cord. This is the foot pedal. This is the machine's key switch. These are eye protectors. These are 3 different models of laser filters. This is a funnel for adding water to the machine. These are black sunglasses. These are red light sunglasses. Let's turn to the back of the machine. This is the port for connecting the power cord. This is the port for the foot pedal. This is the port for the RF handle. These are the effusion, overflow, and drainage. During operation, we need to unscrew the water addition and overflow ports. Here's the funnel. We connect it to the effusion above. Next, we add water to the machine. About 4 to 5 liters of pure water, water without impurities, is needed. If the machine is used frequently, it is recommended to change the water every half month. Fill until water automatically overflows from the overflow port, indicating that the machine is fully filled. At this point, we can remove the funnel. During use, keep the effusion and overflow open to allow air circulation. Now, let's assemble the handle bracket located on top of the machine. First, remove the screws one by one, then align and secure the bracket in place. Let's install the RF handle. First, remove the plug at the port. Then align and install the handle at the port. Next, install the handle head. Choose the appropriate RF probe, unscrew the lid, attach the handle head, and screw the lid back on. Next, install the foot pedal. Align and connect the foot pedal at the port. We return to the front of the machine. This is the YAG port. This is the E-Light port. This is the keyhole. This is the main switch of the machine. Let's install the Pico laser handle. Similarly, first remove the plugs at both ports. Then insert into the port. Let's install the IPL handle. Repeat the steps above. Let's install the handle head for the Pico laser handle. Choose the appropriate laser probe, align and screw it in place. Let's install the handle head for the IPL handle. Choose the appropriate filter, align and insert it into the port. Insert the key, turn on the main switch. Enter the main page. There are 4 modes: E-Light, RF, SHR, YAG. Select E-Light. Enter hair removal with 6 different operational projects. These 3 icons adjust the interface's recording parameters. Here, adjust the pulse width. Here, adjust the number of pulses. Here, adjust the emission interval. Here, adjust the machine's cooling strength. Here, adjust the machine's energy level. At the bottom is the status bar, displaying the internal temperature, power, water circulation system. This is the start button, pause button. We activate the IPL handle, performing a hair removal test on black paper. Pause. Next, we enter a practical demonstration. Operators and customers must wear protective goggles. Then apply gel to the treatment area. Operate the machine aimed at the treatment area. We choose the second project, Photon Rejuvenation. Enter the operation page. The page looks just like before. We select the appropriate settings. Activate the handle. Perform a photon rejuvenation test on black paper. Next, we enter a practical demonstration. Operate on the gel-coated treatment area. In the main page, select RF mode. In the operation page, Choose between continuous or pulse mode. Adjust the appropriate energy level. Activate the handle. This is our practical demonstration. Just massage the gel-coated treatment area. Return to the main page. Select SHR mode. Set the pulse width here, set the frequency here. Adjust the appropriate settings. Activate the handle. Perform a rapid hair removal test on black paper. This is our practical demonstration. Pause. Return to the main page and select YAG mode. Here you can set the frequency. Adjust the appropriate settings. Remove the Pico laser handle. Activate the handle. Set to frequency 1. Perform a tattoo removal test on black paper. Set to frequency 4. Notice the handle operating speed increase significantly, removing the black from the paper. This is our practical demonstration. Through practical operation, we can learn that this mode effectively removes melanin. Pause, return to the main page. Turn the key, shut down the machine. Thank you for watching our demonstration on the 3-in-1 laser machine. I hope this video makes it easier for you to set up and use this fantastic equipment confidently in your clinic. If you have any questions or need further details, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below or visit our website at cantaesthetic.com. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive updates on our latest products and tutorials. I'm Lisa, and I'm here to help you enhance your beauty practice with cutting-edge technology. See you next time.